The QDD400G SR8 optical module is a powerful high-speed networking solution that meets your needs, whether you're in a data center, cloud computing, or large-scale network deployment. Let's learn about the 3 practical application solutions of 400G SR8 optical modules. The QDD400G SR8 module adopts 8DEX56G PAM4 modulation technology and can be used to connect 400G switches with QDD ports. By using MTP16OM4 patch cable, you can easily connect 2 QDD400G SR8 modules, enabling switch interconnection. This module can also be used in 200 gigabits network cards. By using an MTP16 to 2x MTP8OM4 conversion harness cable, connect the QDD400G SR8 module to 2 QSFP-56 200G SR4 modules. You can achieve connectivity from network cards to Ethernet switch. If you want to establish low-speed connections, such as connecting the 400G switch and the 50G switch, you can use an MTP16 to 8 LC duplex OM4 cable to connect the QDD400G SR8 module with 8 50G SR modules, achieving a conversion from high speed to low speed.